Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat being crashed. As you can see, if I open a mobile phone and my Snapchat is working all fine. I can also view my friend's story, but in your case, if your Snapchat is not opening up and is just being crashed, then you should go to your settings on your mobile phone and go to your apps or application and search Snapchat on the search bar. Click on it and click on storage. As you can see, if I click on clear data, that is on bottom screen, and clear cache and hit OK, it would be working all fine. After that, you should restart your mobile phone if it's still not working. And after restarting your mobile phone, it will be working right back again. You should also reinstall your Snapchat after uninstalling it from your Play Store or your App Store by searching Snapchat on it and install your Snapchat on your mobile phone. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.